An L-shaped gaming desk offers lots of room for several monitors, gaming gear, and accessories. It creates a focused and tidy gaming setup. There are many products available to choose L-shaped gaming desks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best L-shaped gaming desks from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Terev's Modern L-Shaped Desk. Yet another reliable call that provides high-quality products in the gaming accessories section is the Terev's. It is the perfect choice for gaming lovers who are looking for affordable price range. It has a simple and classy look which fits into modern, contemporary, and industrial interiors. It is perfect choice for offices, homes, writing table, and gaming table. It has adequate space for placing the monitor and all the accessories related to your gaming. This gaming desk has a strong steel metal base which enables it to handle a weight capacity of up to 450 pounds. On the top, it comes with an engineered wood slab in L shape. At the bottom, adjustable leg pads and footrest to convenience. A freely sliding CPU space is provided under the desk. The powder-coated finish of the gaming desk prevents corrosion. It is quite easy to maintain as you can just wipe it using a dry cloth. Number 2. Modpi L-Shaped Gaming Desk. Modpi is yet another gaming-focused brand available in our picks that focuses on gaming-based desk designs. Thus, it is also an ideal choice for gamers. If you are looking for attractive gaming-based L-shaped desk under an affordable price range, your search ends here. The Modpi L-shaped gaming desk is specifically designed for gamers, which you will notice in its expressive design and attractive carbon fiber finish on the top. The maximum space available on each side of the desk is around 51 inches, which are sufficient for customizable gaming setups. Modpi has also introduced a headphone stand and a cup holder along with a dedicated shelf on this L-shaped gaming desk. Unlike most other L-shaped gaming desks, there is an attractive color scheme offered all over the desk, which is ideal for a theme-based setup. While the included monitor stand is not ideal for large monitors, it is still decent for keeping a console or decorative item. You will be getting 29.5 inches height on this desk, along with separate footsets provided on each side, so that you get perfect leg space on both sides of the desk. The carbon fiber finish on the desk makes it easier to clean and maintains its attractive looks for a very long time. Number 3. Kolshom 61 L-Shaped Desk. The L-shaped gaming desk from Kolshom is a super large gaming desk with one side being nearly 61 inches long that let you fit 2-3 monitors on this desk, thanks to its highly spacious desk with plenty of legroom under the desk. This modern and stylish desk is used for various applications like gaming desk, study writing desk, home office desk, or computer desk. This gaming desk is made up of high-quality engineered wood on top and a metal frame on the bottom. While its adjustable foot pads and sturdy metal leg will keep the desk stay stable without wobbling. Thus, this sturdy and stable desk can easily support more than 220 pounds weight, and apart from that, it is wear-resistant and easy to clean to offer a comfortable and elegant work experience. It is quite easy to assemble this Kolshom super large gaming desk as all of the necessary tools and assembly instructions are provided with the desk. You can also disassemble the desk and break it into a simple, compact desk and large horizontal gaming desk if you won't install it in a corner. Furthermore, you can get 2 of these units to form a U-shaped gaming desk for better working or gaming setup. Number 4. Sweet Crispy L-Shaped Computer Desk. Sweet Crispy L-Shaped Computer Desk, a versatile solution designed for gamers and professionals alike. With dimensions of 49.61 inches in length, 41.34 inches in width, and 29.13 inches in height, this desk provides a spacious and ergonomic workspace. The L-shaped configuration allows for a customized gaming or work zone, optimizing your space according to preferences. Additionally, the desk offers efficient storage options with a built-in CPU tray at the bottom, providing a dedicated space for your computer tower while maintaining proper ventilation. The inclusion of a side storage bag ensures easy organization of gaming accessories, office supplies, or personal items, enhancing the overall functionality of this sleek and modern desk. Premium build with a durable metal frame, waterproof and easy-to-clean wooden desktop, sleek and minimalist design available in black, white, gray, and rustic colors. Side storage bag for convenient organization. Built-in CPU tray. Number 5. Eureka Ergonomic Standing Desk L-Shaped. Eureka Ergonomic Standing Desk L-Shaped, a 60-inch gaming desk that seamlessly combines modern style with smart functionality. This electric height adjustable dual motor desk is ideal for your home office or gaming setup, offering a spacious and ergonomic workstation. The desk features a smart memory preset mousepad, allowing you to effortlessly switch between sitting and standing heights with 4 memory presets. Boasting a 60-inch wide surface with an additional 20-inch L-shaped section, this desk offers ample space for multiple monitors and accessories. Say goodbye to feeling cramped in a corner. This stand-up corner desk provides freedom of movement. Crafted from EPA, Tisca Title Roman 6, and Carb Phase Roman 2 certified particle board, the desktop eliminates formaldehyde exposure concerns. Easily switch between sitting and standing positions to promote a healthy posture and burn calories during your work or gaming sessions. Constructed with thicker and heavy-duty custom-grade carbon steel, this standing desk ensures stability and support. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.